Hello friends, welcome to Chef Food and Drink channel. Today we're going to see Kanjipuram idli. As you would have guessed from its name, it comes from the city of Kanjipuram in Tamil Nadu. This is quite different from your classic idli, whereas we had a lot of spices. The distinct flavor of this idli comes from adding ghee, turmeric, coriander, green chilies and other masalas. So come on, let's get started. So first we need some curry leaves, cashew nuts, coriander, half an inch of ginger, some mustard seeds, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 chilies, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. We also need some ghee, or also known as clarified butter, for frying all the ingredients. And finally, some idli batter. So friends, if you want to know how to make idli batter, please let us know in your comment section and we will add it in the next video. So let's start cooking. First, in a kadai, heat some ghee and we're going to add some mustard seeds and let it sputter. Next we'll add the cumin seeds. Once the cumin sputters, we're going to add some black pepper, finely chopped ginger, green chilies and curry leaves. The aroma of ghee, cumin seeds and curry leaves is amazing. Next we'll add the cashew nuts and fry until it's golden brown. We are going to reduce the flame and then add turmeric so that it doesn't get burnt. And finally, some chopped coriander. We just need to fry this for a few seconds and then we are going to add this to our idli batter. Now let's mix this thoroughly. Wow, look at the color. It's yellow from the turmeric and the fragrance is amazing. Now our Kanjipuram idli batter is ready. Next we are going to apply some oil to the idli plate. Take small quantities of batter as we have shown here. Next, we are going to steam the idlis in a idli vessel or a cooker. I have taken a cooker here and added some water and let it boil. Next, we are going to place the idli vessel into it. Close the lid and cook the idlis for 8 to 10 minutes. Be careful while opening the lid because the steam will be very hot. Wow, the idlis are ready now. Let's serve them in a plate. I'm serving here with spicy chutney podi with sesame or gingerly oil. It also goes well with any kind of chutney. Hope you all like this video. Please do try this at home and let us know your feedback in the comment section below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.